Hey, what's up? Just wanted to make this quick video on how I put together this weed eater trimmer rack on my short bed Nissan Frontier. I got the crew cab 2000 Nissan Frontier, and I built this rack because I got tired of all my yard stuff getting piled up in the back of the truck. And it's a small bed already, but this is what I did. I used a bed frame, queen size bed frame my neighbor was tossing out, and I cut a rail to sit on top of the ledge right here, the edge of the bed. I mounted that. I mounted that to the bed extender. You can see in here, I've ran one of those rails right down to the bolt, and utilize that bolt as one of the mounting points. It's just sitting on top of the rail. Besides that, the back end, I just have it clamped with some C-clamps to the top of the bed and to the side of the bed. Yeah. Got some angle iron. Okay, sweetie. It's my daughter calling me. Just angled the angle iron up. And then I had some, it was a U-bolt that I cut up. Okay, and then we got the locks right here. There's extra holes, those are just already in the bed frame. So this is how it works. We got these longer shackle. So you see here, I just kind of measured it all out, sandwiched it in, and you pull it out, and then I got the you got to kind of pull it out to an angle to free it up, and then it comes out of there. You need that angle on there so it doesn't jump out on you when you're on the road. And it just slides right in there, and then you see there's not, it ain't coming out, it barely wiggles in there. It ain't coming out unless you turn it out of there. The bottom one comes out the same way. And yeah, that's about it. Cost $3.99 besides some black paint, and you know, I got a little Harbor Freight flux core welder. The welds aren't, you know, they ain't winning no competitions, but it gets the job done. What else can I say? That's about it. All right, thanks for watching.